Why trade when 95% loses money to the forex market? This is one question most traders don't ask themselves. Watch to the end of this video and I'll show you one critical mistake step by step you keep making that keeps you in this position and how to avoid being in the 95%. The first question to ask is, why do people get into trading? Why did you start trading? The first thing I would say is hope and confidence. Because people have this delusion that, okay, once I get into trading, I'm going to do exactly what the 5% are doing and I'm going to make a good return for myself, not to end up like the 95% of traders that loses in the market. It's not a bad thing to believe in yourself, and it's good to have the confidence that any industry you enter, you are going to smash it and be one of the top. But you cannot be one of the top when you're not doing what the top 5% are doing. Let me explain. If you go on YouTube, there are so many content on trading saturated everywhere, and you want to consume as much content as you can to grow in the industry. You are actually doing the right thing, but at the same time, you are hurting yourself. Low barrier to entry. What do I mean by this? To start trading the financial market, all you need is your phone, a laptop, a good Wi-Fi connection, and money to trade. That's all you need to trade, and you can start writing Kunle FX in your bio to show everybody you are actually a trader without having a proven track record. Long-term vision. Most people that enter trading, they enter trading because of the lifestyle forex influencers post online. This gives them the betting mindset that trading is a marathon. Trading is a journey that leads you to a higher destination of financial freedom, not a marathon where you run to make quick money and you get out. If you have that kind of mindset in trading, you are going to hurt yourself deeply and you might end up going back to your village. Most new traders and struggling traders see the losses on trading as a tuition fee to profitability. That, okay, I've made this loss, I've learned my mistake, and after some time you still make that same mistake. You just keep on paying and paying and paying and paying. You see it as a tuition fee instead of looking for the right mentorship and look for someone who inspires you and learn from them and see what they are doing differently that you are not doing, to make sure you are the best edge possible to be successful at trading. Traders like this that do not want to invest into a mentorship or grow in the forex industry but prefer to spend thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars in the forex industry, continuously paying tuition fee to the market to hopefully one day arrive at profitability. Einstein made a statement. He said insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over and over again and expecting a different return. If you have this kind of mindset, you will never leave the 95% of traders in the market. This brings us to another question. Why continue despite all the losses you've acquired in the market? Why continue? The first thing that comes to mind is passion for the market. You can be in trading for a long time and you see that trading gives you this adrenaline rush when you are in a high stakes situation, trying to make the best decision possible to make money in the market and avoid losing. This can be very addictive, that you always try to look for that adrenaline because you have strong passion for the market. Success story. Every trader that comes into the financial market always wants to have that success story. If you check on Twitter, you check on Instagram, there are so many stories of people that came from nothing but are now thriving high and living a very good life just from trading the financial market. So everyone is looking for that story, but they are not ready to put in the work those people put. They think once you just read a book or just copy some trade, you are going to be successful in the long term. No, when you are thinking long term, you treat trading differently. Trading is not for anyone. To stay long in this game, you need to treat trading differently. Treat trading as a business and not a game. Because in this market, you are losing real money. You are going up against the best of the best traders in the world and you want to make money from the financial market. Real money at stake here. So whenever you are coming to the financial market, treat it with a business and have a plan to execute every single day. And every single day does not mean you have to trade. Not trading is also a strategy. You should also consider an alternative path in life if forex trading is too costly for you. Some people trade forex solely to make money from it and they don't any alternative in their life that is bringing money for them. Everything 100% is forex. That is a very, you failed the first step already. Coming into this market is very costly, and it can be very challenging emotionally and financially and mentally. So you need to have a diverse stream of income for you to be successful and grow in this industry. Every forex trader that has been successful, they didn't just start forex and only forex. For example, a Nigerian forex trader, Jeffrey Benson, before he became successful in the industry, he was selling phones. You understand? He didn't just like take his savings and say, okay, this is my savings and I'm going to scale up in forex. No, that's a very wrong way to trade. You need to have money coming from different aspects of life. It might not be huge amounts, but something that can sustain you the long run. This is a very sensitive topic, and not all forex traders talk about this. You don't see this kind of topic thrown online. So to support me and for me to bring bangers like this, please do well to like this video, and maybe I can make an extensive part of this video, because this is a very important topic and I don't see it being talked about anywhere. Thank you for watching.